Who you a fool for this? Who you a fool for this?
Oh Lord, Jetson made another one.
It's giving boss beach.
Boss beach.
It's giving boss beach.
Boss beach.
It's giving bad bitch.
Bad bitch.
Never ever play me like I'm average.
Like I'm
Never bring a nigga over where I lay my head. Lady in the streets, put a freak hoe in the bed. Don't make me say it twice, bitch, I said what I said. Two things I don't need, that's a nigga or his bread. Sip me like some high C, cause you know I got the juice. She stay on her grind and she pull up and ain't no. Work a 9 to 5 and she tryna finish school. I bring the table to the table, nigga, why would I need you? It's giving boss beach. It's giving boss beach. It's giving bad bitch. Never ever play me like I'm average. It's giving rich bitch. It's giving rich bitch. It's giving bad bitch. Never ever play me like I'm average. It's giving broke. You want a young bitch with ambition, play a role. It's giving coke. Bottle body wanna hit it like some dope. I'm in that wham bam, brand new lamb, pull up, hop out, shut it down. Sloppy toppy, call him Poppy when he made that slurpy sound. It's giving cake by the pound, it's giving trips out of town. Pussy water, he gon' sink or swim, I might just let him drown. Bottega, heels, in the club. Bottega, heels, in the club. Whoever thought that a bitch would be up? It's giving boss beach. It's giving boss beach. It's giving bad bitch. Never ever play me like I'm average. It's giving rich bitch. It's giving rich bitch. It's giving bad bitch. Never ever play me like I'm average.
It's giving big Birkin, close the curtain in a Rolls Royce. That's what it's giving me, bitch. I don't know what it's giving y'all. Y'all hoes giving broke, busted and disgusted. It's giving boss bitch. Lamb chop truck, what it cost, bitch. Everything motherfucking big. No small time, no small toys, no broke boys. No broke boys. Big
Lord, you know how hard it is dealing with the pain day to day of a one man. She can never be what I am, but as long as he with me, that's what it's gonna be. Oh, that is your ass for a reason, no reason. I'm trying just last, guaranteed to beat your ass. That is your ass for a reason, no. Too much for her to take. Fuck what she gotta say, no. I'm the type to go through my nigga's phone, but you know how that shit be on my nerves when it keeps ringing back to back. Fuck is that? Fuck a bitch on stress is always the mindset I'm in. But an ex can, it's not the game, I'm trying to play it all. Is she on your mind? You can go and do what y'all niggas always doing, don't tell me. She better understand the consequence you fucking with. 'Cause tonight I'll end it. Oh. Spin the block 2-3 times to make sure all the cancer's gone. That bitch your ass for a reason, no reason, no. I got one and she still wants, and I make them do what she does. That bitch your ass for a reason, no. So much for her to take, and fuck what she gotta say. That bitch your ass for a reason, no reason, no. Politician unannounced, you know I wasn't around.
That bitch in the ditch for a reason, though. She was singing on his dick with them easy notes. Yeah. You was ex for a reason, so ain't no motherfucking reason to be reasonable. Right. You the type I slap out. And you mad cause a bitch got a bag in my back out. Keep playing, I'ma snap out. Call his motherfucking phone number again, I'ma black out. Hood bitch, bring the trap out. What's up? Quick to pull up if a bitch wanna act out. He got a bitch with a check now. Doing tricks on the dick, you ain't shipping him the check out. I got that nigga in the figure four. You the help in the service, he don't need no more. Did you get that bitch? Sit back, cause a real bitch will pull up with the click clack.
That bitch your ass for a reason, no reason, no. I got one and she still wants, and I make them do what she does. That bitch your ass for a reason, no. So much for her to take, and fuck what she gotta say. That bitch your ass for a reason, no reason, no. Politician unannounced, you don't even know spending time with me. I'ma say the shit she won't say. Even get up in your face with it. Them and me are different, it ain't no ultimatum. Zero tolerance with anything fucking with mine. She done called you twice. You can go and do what y'all niggas always doing, try to lie to me. You better understand the consequence you fucking with. Tonight I'll end it all. Spin the block 2-3 times to make sure all the cancer's gone. Damage your ass for a reason, no reason, no. I got what I know she still wants, and I make them do what she does. Damage your ass for a reason, no. So much for her to take, and I'm full of what she gotta say. Damage your ass for a reason, no reason, no. Other day shit unannounced, you know when I was around.
Somebody pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah, yeah. Hey, I I remember syrup sandwiches and crime allowances. Finessing on them with some counterfeits, but now I'm counting this. Parmesan where my accountant lives, in fact I'm down in this. You say with my boo babe, tastes like Kool-Aid for the analyst. Girl, I can buy your Westie world with my base stuff. I know that it's good, won't you sit it on my taste buds? I get way too petty once you let me do the extras. Pull up on your block and break it down, we playing Tetris. AM to the PM, PM to the AM phone. Eat up your per diem, you just gotta hate them phone. If I quit your BM, I still rock Mercedes phone. If I quit this season, I still be the greatest funk. My left stroke just went viral. Right stroke put a baby in a spiral. Soprano C, we like to keep it on the high note. It's levels to it, you and I know. Tell them be humble. Sit down. 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 Who that thinking that he frontin' on that man? Get the off my stage, I'm the Sandman. Get the off my, that ain't right. I make a play, blowing up your whole life. I'm so sick and tired of the Photoshop. Show me something natural like Afro with your pride. Show me something natural, I wanna feel some stretch marks. Still it take you down right on your mama couch in polo sock. Ay, this is way too crazy. Ay, you do not amaze me. Ay, I blew cool from ACA. Obama just page me. Ay, I don't fabricate it. Ay, most of y'all be faking. Ay, I stay modest about it. Ay, she elaborated. Ay, this that Grey Poupon, that AV on that TED Talk. Ay, watch my soul speak. You let the meds talk. Ay, if I kill an it won't be the alcohol. Ay, I'm the realest after all. Tell them be humble. Sit down. Be humble. Sit down. Be humble. Tell them sit down. Be humble. 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 Sit down.
Down that on the beat.
Found it hard motherfucking scary.